Today, we'll unbox the mini air cooler. Cool air anytime, anywhere. Filled tank with cold water. So basically, you put this in a small space, a studio space, desktop, office, sleep, exercise, even outdoor says. And it keeps that area cool, real cool. The guy said that it didn't come with the USB cable. He said that this didn't come with it. But how if it says it on the box? So let's see if maybe he's wrong or if he's actually right. And we'll disclose the price of this nice little gadget further down the video. Let's see. Comes in this nice little, they call this the popping pack. See, this one's extra small. Yeah. If I was a kid again, I would have had fun. I still might. Hold on. I'll save this for after the video. All right. Wait. Hold on. Wait a minute. There's the USB. Where's even the USB plug? Where's the USB outlet? Come on, man. He had me fooled. He said that it didn't come with it. Now, where do we plug this thing in is the question. Right here. I'm guessing it's the air filter. The care and cleaner. Nice, smooth blue air filter. Nice and clean. Put it right back in there. Yeah, let's see that. This is the light button. So the light don't work? Oh, that's the fan. Now we gotta fill it with water. Let's fill it with some water and see if it actually works. I think you gotta wet the filter too, I believe. So I wet the filter a little bit. We fill this up. Now let's see if it makes a difference. Oh yeah. It's coming out real cold. Like freezing cold. This thing actually works, yo. The mini air cooler, and it only costs you for the small price of $19.99, $20 to be exact. You put it in a small little space in a cooler place. If y'all have one of these, if y'all are planning to get one, it definitely works. Recommend.